I thought I'd turn the camera on and let you see these two beautifuls up there. Amaya has made herself quite comfortable on top of Lily, even though I don't think that Lily is extremely happy about the situation. But I'm going to try and get up there, which is really not easy, but I will do it, of course, so that you can see. And Lily has been like squished out. She was really quite comfortable up there until Amaya decided to seek the heat. I guess it's lovely and warm up there, although this room by no means is actually cold at all. So it's sharing space. That's pretty much what it's all about. Except, Amaya, did you have to be so bossy and pretty much squeeze Lily through? I mean, Amaya isn't that heavy, but yeah, Lily is like, man, I was so happy. And her head is actually under where Amaya is cruising on right now. And Lily will be thinking, how am I supposed to get out of this one? And excuse the red light, but yep, heating is kind of essential, and Lily tends to make her way up there and snuggle in up under that heat. And it seems that Miss Amaya is deciding to do exactly the same thing. I'm kind of contemplating putting another heat lamp up over under the shelf over there, so that there's two areas that the snakes can actually go to and continue to be nice and warm while they are actually out. And you'll see Amaya's tail is there and her head, and goodness knows where Lily's tail and head is at this particular point. But Lily is not budging either. OMG. Now, I had a sneaky suspicion that my girl, Amaya, is a boy and not a girl. And I guess the best way to find out, I'm not one to be probing or pushing and prodding my snakes, but I did have a sneaky suspicion. But I thought, no, they sold me to me and said that it was a female, and they are very, very wrong. And what can I do about it now? Absolutely nothing, because I wouldn't change anything for the world in terms of having Amaya. But now I have to think about, well, Amaya is not exactly a boy's name. I'm so flawed. Really, I am. And does it really make any difference to me? No, because I'm not breeding Amaya. Now I feel weird calling him a her name. But I thought to myself, your tail is wiggling, and your tail should not really be doing that, Amaya, because you're a girl, and certainly Lily's a girl, So you're a boy. What other surprises am I going to have? Is Tessa a boy? She was sold to me as a girl. Well, I know Jesse's a boy. That's for sure. Apani was to be a girl, but I believe he is a boy. I know for sure that Archie's a boy, Oscar's a boy, Amaya's Maya's a girl. She's a girl. Car's a boy, as far as I know. You know, I never know now. And I'm probably never going to know unless I've got male and female out together, and then I'm going to find out. And Mr. up here is not very impressed with me going on up and disturbing him and saying to him, hang on a minute, what are you doing? And, you know, giving his tail a little bit of a lift up and a move around, but Lily, of course, is not accommodating Amaya at all. So, guys, a boy's name. I just don't know how to change Amaya to some more masculine name, except Amani, which I'm not particularly keen on at all. It kind of doesn't flow as with my tongue as Amaya does, or Lily, or whatever. So, you know, I could call him OMG just for short, because it's kind of that moment where I go, OMG, for real? Really? Really? Are you kidding me? Like, when did that happen? When you know, you're a girl. Come on, you're a girl. No. No. A boy. Isn't that lovely that I have another boy? I mean, yep, I don't mind having boys. Boys are actually really, really good. But, yeah, not a girl. Well, I'll be. Yeah. And you can see that he for now, is doing all he can. Okay, I fell off. Well, I fell. I fell. No, I did not hurt myself, which is a good thing, just frightened the living out of me. But that's okay. I'm going to switch on this light here. I'm really, really trying to keep my eye on that tail, and I'm watching that more than I am concentrating on my feet balance here. But when I go to get Amaya, the boy, what ultimately ends up happening, and I really can't get in there right now with a camera in my hand and a bird right underneath me and things I can't balance on either. He is not very impressed with me at all, and kind of turns around on me. It doesn't take a swipe, but lets me know, hang on a minute, don't you touch my tail. If you're aware and remember Jack, when he would make his moves on my Lily, he was very, very easy to move his tail away and let him know I wasn't going to let him do it. And he was more than happy about, well, he didn't mind. He could care less. Amaya is a little bit different about this, a little bit more persistent, but Lily has her tail completely wrapped around a piece of branch up there. So Amaya is actually stumped as to, well, where's your tail? I've been looking for it for about half an hour now and I can't find it. So good on you, Lily, for not being willing and wanting yourself at this particular time. And you know, people have said to me, oh, it's not breeding season for carpet pythons yet, it's too early. Ah, yeah, right, okay, it's not breeding season. Well, I'm about to tell you it is breeding season, but not only that, there is more to come to this video. So watch, see, and find out what that is. So anyway, I am going to say goodbye again. Yes, it's the same night as the other video, but hey, that's the way it goes. Pick the camera up when something may be going on. Ciao everyone. Take care.